Colorful stone.
Debating whether to go this way or not. Go along there for a bit,
Okay.
and then we'll come back this way.
Horse and carriage?
Yeah, that there, the bit, it looked like a horse and carriage. It's not, it's fake.
Yeah.
If you look right at the end, you'll see like what would have been a steam truck.
There we go. It's a museum.
Uh-huh. Maritime Museum and International Slavery Museum.
Yeah.
Do you want international slavery on your thing?
I don't know.
No.
What?
Right. We'll go back this way.
This is also maritime museum. Right? Slavery. Maritime, not slavery.
It's free to get in, but they want you to donate £5.
Okay.
Do you recognise this statue to the left of us?
Oh yeah. That goes.
Do you recognise it?
Statue?
Yeah. Padlocks.
If you want to wish that, yeah, you'll be together forever, so you have to padlock. Just to have a padlock, and then you put here.
But
Padlocks.
the
There's so
people
many
from
here.
all over the world come and
Yeah.
put them here. But they're all the way along there, all the way down there.
Yeah. There. Then you have to write your name here.
We don't have to,
No?
but people do. Yeah.
Yeah, they will
Yeah, we
do
got,
so that they will know that you
See, this
are.
one here is like Diane and Alan, 50 years.
Rusty now.
Yeah.
The one is, I think that one is new.
Well, yeah, it's a shiny one.
Yeah. This one is older now, the more on rust.
But I have been
Rust.
here before, and like some of them, they've rusted to a point where they've actually fallen off.
Yeah.
You know, so it doesn't last forever because eventually the metal, the salt from the sea, erodes it. Like, see?
Oh yeah. Oh, what's that? If they fall,
Well, if
they will throw there and here.
I don't know what they do with
The
them.
water.
I would think that
The
the
beach.
council will just clean them up. But,
Yeah, right. Oh, the padlocks is until there, my love.
yeah, they're all the way down, then all the way down there. So, there's thousands and thousands of them.
Big boats.
I'm sure if you looked at some of these, they've been here for years. It looks like an old family, but I don't know where it's from.
The one is not Elvis.
No. The crossing.
The crossing. Family. We don't know. We don't
I
know
see.
if they are.
It's to commemorate all the people that left from here, going to America, and that,
Okay.
you know, the boys playing with a crab. It's all the people who, you know, packed up everything they had or whatever, and then got on a ship, went to America to start a new life.
Yeah.
And their ancestors are now Americans. So they started off from here. There's a Navy dockyard over there as well.
Okay.
So you got cruise ships coming up there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that statue did look like Elvis, didn't it? It was. I've never heard of whoever he was.
Like Elvis. We are wrong.
Yeah.
That
Obviously,
statue is not Elvis.
He's obviously using Elvis as a, you know, to make him look like Elvis, if you know what I mean, so that people would think he was.
Yeah.
It's the pilot house.
House?
Yeah, pilot house. The pilot is the people who go onto ships that come visiting,
Pilot house.
and they pilot them down the water so that they don't go into bits that's shallow and that.
Yeah, this building is
1883.
1883.
Yeah. That's the pilot house.
Yeah.
There's also little statues of things down here. I don't know what they are.
What the ship there is for the? Is that for the tourist passengers?
No, it's a tanker, I think.
Tanker.
Yeah, it'd be a tanker, but it's empty because of you can see the red at the bottom.
The big, yeah. But the other one, the two.
You got 1, 2, 3. They're 3 tugs.
Yeah.
So they must be going down to move a bigger ship, like the cruise ship that's over there.
Yeah.
It'll need a tug, like one of those to move it. So if it's going to get pushed in or whatever like that, they'll use a tug.
Okay.
And there's another tanker down there. Maybe they're going to go move that. And there is a tug down there already with it, so maybe they're going to move that one. I would have thought it needs 4 to move it though. But you see sailboats down there as well. Look. But where we're heading up here is where they get the ferries. I don't think that's. No. It's different artists.
Echo and the Bunny Men.
They're different artists, yeah.
Yeah.
You got Lightning Seeds, Echo and the Bunny Men.
Yeah.
Frankie Goes to Hollywood. OMD.
And here also.
Yeah, but that's
I don't know. Fish. Fish. For the fish.
Birds and fish and things like that.
This one is for the boat.
Yeah,
No.
it's a boat and
Yeah.
the sea and stuff. It's a war memorial to merchant seamen.
War Memorial.
Yeah, to merchant seamen that died in the Second World War. So all the ones on like tankers and all that kind of thing.
Yeah. This is statue. Hey, go here.
Well, you can now. Yeah. Looks like somebody's wearing like a uniform.
Captain walks.
Commemorate the Battle of the Atlantic.
Oh yeah, Captain J. Walker,
Yeah.
Royal Navy.
Shame a bird's crapped down his face. Boat.
Multicolored.
Yeah. There's white, black, blue, red, yellow, orange, green, purple, multicoloured. It must be some sort of, well, I say tour boat, but I don't know.
The plaque. So commemorate Norwegian sailors.
Just commemorate the loss of a particular ship, is SS Arandora Star. Arandora Star. 1,673 people died.
Oh. More in here is the Chinese.
A Chinese merchant seaman who served their country. Served in
the main.
Netherlands. Doesn't say where the ferry goes to. And I assume it's Ireland and that, but it doesn't say where. Oh, then we'll have to go back this way. She's walking with a non-matching hat.
My dress is blue
She's
and my hat is...
wearing a purple hat because she's just bought it, but rather than carry it, she's wearing
But
it.
this one is
Reversible.
Reversible with
Yeah. But neither of them go with blue. But
blue and violet. Violet.
purple. Now that river cruise is coming back again now. Over there.
Ah, yeah. It's in the picture.
Well, it's a bit closer than before. They probably go down and then they have somebody announcing, you know, on the left is this, on the right is that. So that multicoloured ship there is a river cruise. Goes up and down. Up and down the Mersey. Like the song, ferry across the Mersey. Over there looks like there's a, like it's a Navy dockyard as well. They got some auxiliary ships there. The music in here, we don't know who the band is. It's all blocked off with this green wall. You can't get past it. We came to try and look at the Beatles statue, but we think it's the other side of that wall. We can't get to it because there's some band with a stage playing music and they blocked it all off with that green wall. So I don't recognise the band. So this is where everybody goes to get the ferry, which is probably going to Ireland. And just behind the ferry terminal is a cruise ship. Maybe they're going to, I don't know, Miami or Barbados or something like that. This building's the Museum of Liverpool. Look, the people up there are getting free seat tickets. They can see the band from over the wall. There's the river cruise boat. It's much closer now, you can see it. All the multicoloured. Now you can see people on it now. So if you come to Liverpool, you can go up and down the river on one of those. That's the Snowdrop. Yeah, it's called the Snowdrop. It's a lot of people on it.
Yeah, tourist. It's a big, no?
Yeah. It's fairly old as well. Should we go up the stairs, see if we can see some of this stage, whoever they are that's playing?
Where there?
Yeah. We're going that way anyway.
Cannot see now.
Well, obviously they can see because these people are doing it. So. If we go up these steps, we can see over the green wall that they've put. So there's people actually watching the music for free. I think they must be doing some sort of sound check. We need to go, oh, we can't get round it. That statue's somewhere here, but I can't see where. But you can't get through there, look, we've got that fencing. You can't even go that way. You can only go around the building.
Let's eat Jollibee. Let's eat Jollibee.